Hey there, food lovers! Let's talk about a fantastic ingredient that's taking the culinary world by storm: cauliflower rice. This versatile veggie is a game changer for anyone looking for a healthy and delicious alternative to traditional rice. Trust me, once you try it, you'll be hooked. Cauliflower rice is incredibly easy to make and can be used in countless dishes. It's simply cauliflower that has been grated or pulsed into small, rice-like pieces. It's a fantastic low-carb, low-calorie option that's packed with nutrients. Plus, it's incredibly versatile and can be used in stir-fries, as a base for bowls, or even as a substitute for rice in your favorite recipes. One of the best things about cauliflower rice is that it's incredibly easy to make at home. All you need is a head of cauliflower and a food processor or a grater. Get ready to discover a world of culinary possibilities with this amazing ingredient. Let's get started. There's nothing quite like the taste of fresh, homegrown produce. If you're lucky enough to have a garden, growing your own cauliflower is a rewarding experience. But whether you're picking it fresh from your backyard or grabbing it from the grocery store, prepping your cauliflower is the first step to creating delicious cauliflower rice. Start by rinsing your cauliflower head under cool water, removing any dirt or debris. Then, using a sharp knife, carefully cut away the tough outer leaves. Next, remove the core from the center of the cauliflower. You can do this by cutting around the core in a circular motion, or by simply cutting the cauliflower into quarters and then removing the core from each quarter. Now, your cauliflower is prepped and ready to be transformed into rice-like perfection. Whether you choose the food processor method or the grating method, you'll be amazed at how easy it is to create this healthy and delicious alternative to traditional rice. Making cauliflower rice is a breeze, and the best part is, you have options. Choose the method that best suits your kitchen tools and preferences. Get ready to be amazed by how simple it is to transform this humble vegetable into a culinary masterpiece. Method 1. The food processor whiz. For this method, you'll need a trusty food processor. Cut your prepped cauliflower into florets, aiming for pieces that are roughly 1 to 1.5 inches in size. Working in batches, add the florets to your food processor and pulse in short bursts. Keep an eye on the texture and stop pulsing when the cauliflower resembles rice grains. Remember, you don't want to overprocess it into a paste. Method 2. The grater grind. Don't have a food processor? No problem. A box grater works just as well. Cut your prepped cauliflower into quarters. Then, using the medium-sized holes on your grater, grate the cauliflower until you achieve a rice-like consistency. It's as simple as that. Section 4. Cooking up a storm microwave versus sautéing. Now that you've mastered the art of making cauliflower rice, it's time to cook it to perfection. Whether you prefer the quick convenience of the microwave or the satisfying sizzle of a hot pan, we've got you covered. Option 1. Microwave magic. Place your freshly made cauliflower rice in a microwave-safe bowl and cover it with a lid or microwave-safe plastic wrap. Microwave on high for 5 to 7 minutes or until the cauliflower is tender crisp. Be sure to stir it halfway through to ensure even cooking. Option 2. Sautéed to perfection. Heat a drizzle of olive oil or your favorite cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Add your cauliflower rice to the hot pan and sauté for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring frequently. Season with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs and spices. Cook until the cauliflower is tender crisp and slightly golden brown. Section 5. The nutritional powerhouse. Health benefits of cauliflower rice. Cauliflower rice isn't just delicious, it's also incredibly good for you. This nutritional powerhouse is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can benefit your health in countless ways. Low in calories and carbs. Compared to traditional rice, cauliflower rice is significantly lower in calories and carbohydrates, making it an excellent choice for those watching their weight or managing their carbohydrate intake. Rich in nutrients. Cauliflower is a good source of vitamins C and K, folate, and fiber. These nutrients play essential roles in maintaining overall health, including boosting immunity, supporting bone health, and promoting healthy digestion. High in fiber. The fiber content in cauliflower rice promotes digestive health, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and contributes to feelings of fullness, which can aid in weight management. Good source of antioxidants. Cauliflower contains antioxidants such as sulforaphane, which may help protect against cell damage and reduce inflammation. May aid weight loss. The low calorie and carb content, combined with the high fiber content, makes cauliflower rice a valuable tool for weight management. Section 6. Garden Fresh Goodness, the advantage of homegrown produce. There's something truly special about using fresh, homegrown produce in your cooking. The flavor, the freshness, and the satisfaction of growing your own food are unmatched. If you have the space, growing your own cauliflower is a rewarding experience. When you grow your own vegetables, you have complete control over the growing process. You know exactly what goes into your food, from the soil to the fertilizers. This means you can enjoy your cauliflower rice knowing that it's free from harmful pesticides and chemicals. Plus, freshly harvested produce is at its peak in terms of flavor and nutritional value. So, if you have the opportunity to grow your own cauliflower, seize it. You'll be amazed by the difference in taste and quality. Section 7. Embrace the cauliflower rice revolution. Congratulations, food lovers! You've now mastered the art of making cauliflower rice and discovered its incredible health benefits. From the garden to your table, this versatile ingredient is a game changer for anyone looking to elevate their culinary creations. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen newbie, cauliflower rice is incredibly easy to make and can be used in countless ways. Get creative and experiment with different flavors, spices, and cuisines. From stir-fries to salads to bowls, the possibilities are endless. So embrace the cauliflower rice revolution and experience the magic of this healthy and delicious ingredient. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Love this recipe? Hit that like button, subscribe, and join us for more sustainable cooking tips, recipes, and inspiration. See you in the next video.